Yo man, welcome back to another YouTube video. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa fundamental concept of how women value you and your relationship. So, if she gets something very, very easily, she will not value it. Isipin mo, meron kang relo na nakuha mo ng libre. So, wala kang pake kung mawala yon kasi madali lang naman palitan yon. Pero kung kailangan mong kumayod para sa relo na yon. Tipong nagtipid ka, tapos nag-ipon ka ng pera ng pagkatagal-tagal, nag-overtime ka sa trabaho para mabili mo, ang tagal nang inantay mo sa pila para lang magkaroon nun. For sure, you will treat that watch like gold. Bakit? Kasi nag-invest ka ng time, money, at effort sa bagay na yon. Now, ang problema sa panliligaw ngayon is that most men hand out commitment for free. So kapag ang bilis mong nagpakita ng commitment sa babae na tipong pinaparamdam mo na sold ka na agad sa kanya kahit wala pa siyang ini-invest pabalik sa'yo. Mapapansin mo na ang bilis kang iwanan, i-ghost, or i-reject ng babae. Yung iba, pinagpapalit nga agad eh. This is because they have not invested enough to make it feel valuable. So, walang nagiging value yung commitment mo. So, sa mga bago sa channel ko, I'm Joms, and I help men understand the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So, bago tayo mag-deep dive, gusto ko lang i-plug. Meron akong on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Dito, malalaman mo on how to naturally attract women by stimulating their biological attraction triggers inside their head using momentum-based attraction. So, kung palagi kang nababasted, palagi kang nare-reject, palagi kang na-friend zone, or natotorpe, check mo yung link sa description box, click mo lang yon and makakatulong sa'yo yan. Now, back to the video, I'm going to give you yung tinatawag nating fisherman strategy. Okay, itong fisherman strategy na to is to make your commitment, how to make your commitment valuable sa mata ng babae. First, pag-usapan muna natin yung tinatawag na rules of effort. This is where you see who's protecting your value. Okay, or who's protecting their value. Historically, women are the gatekeepers of intimacy. They naturally make men prove their attractiveness, take them on dates, and wait until they are ready for intimacy. Now, men understand they have to invest effort just to get intimacy, such as sex, pleasure, or nurturance. Pero sa kabilang banda, kung women is the gatekeepers of intimacy, men are the gatekeepers of commitment. Meaning, lalaki talaga ang nagde-decide kung sino yung gusto niyang providean or maging official partner niya. Kung sino yung magiging reyna sa tabi niya. Ganun siya. Now, take note, na kapag official partner mo na yung babae, she now have access to your stability and security. Meaning, she has access to all of your hard-earned resources in which this is your ultimate leverage. Yan yung value mo sa relationship. Okay, sa dynamics na yon. Ang problema sa mga lalaki ngayon, when it comes to commitment, ang dali lang natin itong binibigay sa babae. You make the most important thing easy and free. Tandaan nyo, the more expensive, meaning the more effort required, it is for a woman to get your deep commitment, the more she will value it and fight to keep it. Kaya kung kinocommit mo na lahat ng attention mo, yung oras at pera at energy mo sa babae without her investing something back, hindi niya i-value yung mga binibigay mo. Kaya madali ka niyang i-ghost, madali ka niyang i-reject, madali ka lang niyang papalitan. Kasi binibigay mo yung commitment mo ng libre. So, Joms, how do you make your commitment high value or how do you make your commitment valuable? So, ito na yung tinatawag kong fisherman strategy. So, 3 steps lang to. So, naalala nyo yung kasabihan na don't ask the fish on how to catch a fish, ask the fisherman instead. So, ito yung strategy na sinabi niya nung tinanong ko yung fisherman. Okay? Step 1, focus on your boat. Ibig sabihin, i-prioritize mo yung sarili mong buhay. Ikaw yung kapitan ng barko mo. Meaning, build your career, your mission, your network. So, meron kang sariling direksyon at ikaw yung nagda-drive ng buhay mo. So, wag mong gagawing mundo yung babae. Hindi dapat siya yung nagko-control sa'yo at hindi dapat iikot yung buong buhay mo sa iisang babae. Your boat is your priority. Improve how you present yourself, how you behave, how you drive and lead yourself to the lifestyle you want. Next is step number 2. Tawag dito is catch and release. Kahit na maganda na yung barko mo, kailangan mo pa rin syempre mangisda. Hindi naman matik na tatalon na lang yan sa barko mo nang walang dahilan. Siguro marami lang aaligid na babae sa'yo, pero you still need to do the effort to reel them and showcase your boat. Diba? Parang nangingisda ka nga lang, you need to reel them in. May effort. So, kumbaga, you will do the first move pa rin. Initiate the interaction with women, get your hands in the water, at kung sino ang kumagat at nagpahuli, they now have the chance to experience what it looks and feels like inside your boat. So you can have fun with them, you can attract them, you can flirt and seduce them, you can date her, pero you just leave it at that. You catch the fish, pero kayang-kaya mo silang ibalik uli sa tubig. Kumbaga, hindi mo siya kailangan pilitin na magstay sa'yo o magstay sa barko mo. Pinapakita mo lang kung ano yung itsura at feeling sa mundo mo. So, because you keep your commitment to yourself. With this one, kapag ganon, pinapakita mo na hindi ka kating-kate o uhaw na uhaw mag-commit in which signals scarcity and neediness. And again, neediness is the number 1 attraction killer. When you keep your commitment to yourself at hindi ito madaling makuha, it shows you are abundant and not needy. Pinapakita mo sa kanya na that your life is not stopping for her. As long as ini-improve mo yung barko mo at you are doing the work to catch, meron kang mahuhuling isda. And lastly, step number 3, wait for investment. Kung gusto niya talaga magkaroon ng relationship sa'yo, she will have to show it by making an effort too. Ibig sabihin, she has to jump back into your boat. Diba? Pagka-release mo, kailangan mag-jump back siya sa boat mo. So, she can do that. She can jump back into your boat by investing her time, energy, and effort into the relationship and into your world. Kumbaga, meron ding reciprocation na galing sa babae at hindi lang puro ikaw. She has to pursue you also for the committed relationship. Again, ang duty niya is to lock down the ship and the captain. Siya dapat yung kating-kate na magkaroon kayo ng label at commitment, hindi ikaw. Yun yung madalas na pagkakamali. Again, women are security-seeking creatures. Naturally, sila yung gumagawa ng move para mag-commit sa kanila yung lalaki. Kasi commitment, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon sila ng lifetime supply ng stability and security from the man. The greatest fear of a woman is to grow old alone and unprotected. That's why they fear abandonment, vulnerability, and lack of provision for survival and connection. Kaya dapat merong value yung commitment mo kasi yun yung leverage mo sa sexual marketplace. So effective tong fisherman strategy kasi it uses yung psychological power of investment. When a woman works hard and invests her energy and time to get the relationship, she will try very hard to keep it. So bakit? Una, bigyan ko kayo 3 reasons. Una, kasi committed na siya. For example, sa poker, kapag sobrang dami mo ng tinaya sa gitna o sa pot, mas lamang sa'yo na ilaban mo yung baraha mo. Yun yung tinatawag na pot committed. Kapag pot committed na yung babae sa'yo, hindi ka na niya madaling iiwanan, ghost, or ipagpalit because she has already spent a lot of time and effort. So psychologically, she has to keep trying to make it work. Mahirap mag-walk away sa isang bagay na marami ka nang ininvest at sinakripisyo. Okay? Next, mas pumupogi o mas lumalakas yung dating mo sa kanya. Ito maganda to. Listen to this one. If marami na siyang na-invest sa'yo, she will look at your flaws o yung mga pangit sa'yo and try to see them as good things. Kasi kailangan niyang i-justify yung choice at investment niya. And lastly, she creates the value. The woman who invests creates the value herself. Kasi when she paid the high price, effort, and time for the relationship, she is much more likely to value it, cherish it, and work hard to maintain it long term. So, simple lang yung ultimate lesson sa video na to. Value comes from effort, and commitment is the reward that must be earned. So, stop giving away your commitment and resources to women for free. Ngayon, gusto ko isipin nyo, ano yung mga bagay na binibigay nyo ng libre sa babae? For example, yung oras nyo, nagre-reply kayo kaagad, palagi kayong available, binibigyan nyo agad ng regalo, or hinihingi nyo agad yung commitment niya. Tapos i-comment nyo sa video na to kung ano yung binibigay nyo ng libre, tapos pinagsisihan nyo in the end. So drop a comment below, babasahin ko lahat yan. Also, if you are ready to master the fisherman's strategy to make your commitment the high value prize so she becomes desperate to invest and keep you, meron akong on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Dito malalaman mo on how to naturally attract women by stimulating their biological attraction triggers inside their head using momentum-based attraction. So, kung palagi kang nababasted, palagi kang nare-reject, palagi kang na-friend zone or natutorpe, check mo yung link sa description box. For sure, makakatulong sa'yo yan. So, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe dahil almost daily nag-upload ako ng videos na I know for sure makakatulong sa'yo. At kung may extra oras ka pa, may video dito na sinuggest si YouTube, meaning most likely interesado ka dito at makakatulong din sa'yo itong video na to. So panoorin mo yan and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.